For admission, item number 1.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. This is an appeal filed by the state government against the judgment and order dated 26/3/2024 in WPC number 21 of 2024, whereby the state governments were directed to refund the cess, the 15% cess deducted from the land compensation within 3 months of the receipt of the state judgment. So, Your Lordship, in this regard, if I may, the land of the private respondent in that WPC.
When was the award made? When was the award made?
The award was made on 17/2/2023.
17/2/23. And
And the amendment
the amendment made when?
was on 2022.
When?
2022,
2022.
exactly.
Which date?
It was published on 23/9/2022.
23/9/22. Where is the amendment?
The amendment is in Annexure 3, that is in page 99 in my appeal petition.
Let us see, where is it? Amendment to section?
There are some insertion, new section were inserted in this amendment. And the new section was 75A.
75A.
Clause 5.
Yes.
Share of the government shall also be deducted from the award not yet pronounced.
And
even if
what
notification-
was the stand of the learned single judge? What did it say? What did the single judge say?
The single judge said that the whole deduction of cess is unconstitutional.
Unconstitutional. But was there a challenge to the rules?
It was challenged,
The rule was challenged.
yes, and it was upheld, declaring that it was constitutional. Deduction of cess by the state government is constitutional, and the state government were permitted.
Where does it say that
The
it's
judgment
upheld?
is in page number 96.
96. Where does he say that it's constitutional? No, that is earlier.
Yes. This
No,
is the
I'm
rule.
saying, did the writ petitioner in this case
No.
challenge this 75A? He did not
No,
challenge.
not challenged till date.
Yes, anything?
My Lord,
You're here.
even though we have not challenged that insertion of section 75A,
Yes.
if your Lordship kindly see the commencement,
Commencement
yes, of the new amendment,
of the news.
it
Okay.
was made to effect retrospectively from 23/9/2022. That is the date when
It shall
it
come
was-
into force on the date of its publication in the Mizoram Gazette.
Yes,
That's
my
what it
lord.
says.
My Lord.
Correct.
Yes,
Then
it came into force on
22.
23/9/2022.
Yes.
But my lord, the land of the possession and ownership of the land of the petitioners had already been taken over by the central government prior to the coming into force of the new law.
What did the
Page-
learned
my lord.
single judge say anything when it was taken over?
No, my lord.
Then was that an
Page,
issue? No, Mr. Counsel. You cannot bring new issues.
No, my lord.
Was that an issue there?
That was the pleadings
That's the
before the
pleadings.
writ petition.
Possession taken over when?
15/11/2021.
15, 11, 20.
Page 47 to 50, my lord.
47 to 50.
My lord, page 48 is the English version.
48, yes.
And page 49, my lord, at the top, if I may read, my lord.
Yes.
And further, in pursuance of subsection 2 of Section 3D of the said Act, that is National Highways Act, my lord. The central government hereby declares that on publication of this notification in the official gazette, the land specified in the said schedule shall vest absolutely in the central government, free from all encumbrances. My lord, our lands had already been snatched away from our possession way back in 15 November 2021. But the new law came into force in September 2021.
subsequent.
So this is a clear violation of our
No,
constitutional
let
rights.
us read 75A. What does it say? Share of government on acquisition of land. In case of acquisition covered by No, you see, there is a difference between taking possession and acquisition. Just because they have taken possession does not mean it has been acquired as on that date.
Exactly.
My
But
lord,
then-
it has
but
been
then-
acquired.
But then the acquisition.
The award was made
Just a
on
minute,
later
just a
date.
minute, just a minute. Let us think
My
also.
lord.
But the thing is that the acquisition would have to relate back to the date of possession also. Possession is earlier in time to the acquisition by way of pronouncement of the award. But the award will relate back to the date of possession or not? What does the award say? Let us see the award.
The apportionment is at page 53, my lord. There is no mention about page 53.
Nothing is mentioned, Your Lordship.
Page 53.
53. These are the apportionment.
Let us see the laws. Let us see these acts. Let us see the provisions of this act. National Highways Act. Where is it? Let us see what the National Highways Act, Section 3 says. What does Section 3A say? We have to see all these. You have got to show us the act. You are only arguing with dates, with the dates. You are not saying anything with regard to what the provisions of the act are.
My lord, section 3D2.
Give
Of the
us,
National
have
Highways
you given, did you give the, have you got National Highways Act 1956? Another copy.
My lord, initially the notification has to be issued under section 3A1.
It is, yes, this is only the intention to acquire such
Yes,
land. You
Section
see,
3A, my lord.
3A1 is, 3A is only an
Yes, it's
intention to acquire.
That was notified on 25
Correct.
to
So this page 48 is only an intention. It does not mean that it has been acquired.
39 to 42 and 43 to 46 are the notification declaring the intention to acquire, my lord. And on 15/11,
Just a minute. Don't go off on a tangent.
My
We're
lord.
reading also. Have you got? Where's the copy? Another copy. You should have given this, that we needed this bare act. Section 3. Section 3. 3A. 3A1. This is only shown in intention. Intention is not acquisition. And further present to same 3D, 3D2.
Declaration of subsection the mention this absolutely in the sentence. So from this the time it will become possession.
Publication of declaration under subsection 1 of 3D. 3D1 and further 3D2. Madam, from where do you say that the award was announced on 23/9/22? You said, no, you said that the
award was declared.
possession was taken over 17 to 23 was when the award was announced. Is it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where do you get that?
That I write it down in my grounds,
Huh?
my grounds position.
No, where is the document?
My lord, it can be seen from page 53.
Here,
53.
it is
53 at the
in
top.
the annexure.
At the top.
17 to
3G. Okay, 3G.
3G.
Okay, 3G. Who is the competent authority? Means you see, as per 3G, where any land is acquired under this Act, there shall be paid an amount which shall be determined by an order of the competent authority. Now, who is the competent authority? Competent authority, as per the definition in section 3A, is any person or authority authorized by the central government by notification in the official gazette to perform the functions of the competent authority for such area as may be specified in the notification. So, who is the competent authority here?
Competent authority is Kala.
Where is the notification? So this is made by Kala. Prima facie, I do not know. You might not have a case. We are not sure, but we'll have to go slightly. We have to be slightly careful. because you have taken possession prior to the amendment. And the only thing now is the amount that has to be paid. So basically your intention to acquire was taken under 3A, and thereafter under 3D, you have given your declaration of acquisition by taking possession. So, declaration of acquisition having been taken prior to the coming of the amendment, I don't think you have got a, we don't think that you have got a case. Correct? It does not appear. Only thing that we have no time to go through it carefully. But prima facie, so we'll just take it up again. Okay.
Before that,
Asabadati.
if your Lordship agrees, I would like to raise one more point.
Yes.
This writ petition was passed by the learned single bench as being covered by the earlier writ petition, WPC number 1 of 2024, that the same order has been passed.
Okay.
That has been complied with by the state government.
State government complaint.
I
Which
have
page?
the documents,
Which
my
page?
Lord.
Which page? It's not here.
My Lord, earlier I have submitted the documents.
Unfortunately, I've got to catch a flight,
WPC number 1 of
and
2024.
I've got to go to Shillong. We've got a Eastern Zone conference tomorrow from 10 o'clock. I'm one of the resource persons there. So, that's why
There's a direct flight
from here to Guwahati, I'm not even going to visit my house. I'm going directly from the airport to Shillong. So we'll take it up again.
My Lord.
You'll have to do some more. You have to be because prima facie 3D. See, 3D says declaration of acquisition. Once there is a declaration of acquisition, what remains? All right. Heard Ms. Vanesiami, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that the impugned judgment and order dated 26/3/2024 passed by the learned single judge in WPC number 21 of 2024 should be set aside, inasmuch as the learned single judge has wrongly allowed the writ petition by holding that the writ petitioner by holding that no cess was to be deducted from the compensation amount on account of acquisition of the writ petitioner's land. Next. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that the learned single judge submits that the where is that 93? No, where is that amended section?
75,
75,
75A is the new insertion section.
101.
That is in
Submits,
page 99.
submits that in view of the insertion of section 75A in the Mizoram (Land Revenue (Close) Act, 2013, by the Mizoram bracket Land Revenue bracket close, then Amendment Act, 2022, which came into force on 23/9/22. The writ petitioners were liable to, no, the cess was required to be deducted from the compensation amount received by the landholders, inasmuch as the award was announced for acquisition of the lands of the writ petitioners only on 17/2/2023. Correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
As there was no challenge to the amended to section 75A, there was no infirmity with the deduction of cess by the state government from the compensation amount to be received from the landholders. Full stop. Next paragraph. Mr. That's handy. Learned counsel appearing for all the private respondents.
Private is,
All the writ petitioners submits that possession of the lands of the petitioners were taken on 15/11/21 in pursuance to subsection 2 of section 3D, capital D, of the National Highways Act, 1956. Thus, when there has been a declaration made for acquisition of land under section 3D, prior to the insertion of section 75A, there was no infirmity with the decision of the learned single judge. List the matter when? Chief is coming, Chief and I are coming again on, from 3rd we'll be sitting.
as per the convenience of your lordship.
3rd?
My lord,
Obliged.
Acha, you just take this section 75A also, take it. Page 101. 101, 75. Section 75A of the So Act states as follows. Amendment Act, you just say. Here and after refer to the amendment.
For orders, item number 2.
Okay, so one thing, firstly, this IA 182, I think you'll have to withdraw this.
Yes, my lord.
Ah,
We'll have to
okay, right.
withdraw 182.
Mr. Vanalshyata Changte, the learned Samuel Vanalshyata, the learned Additional Advocate General, Mizoram. Mr. Samuel Vanalshyata Changte. The learned Additional Advocate General Mizoram, appearing for the applicant, submits that in view of the filing of IAC 186 of 2025, he would like to withdraw this application. Prayer of the applicants is allowed, I is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn. That is 182. Then, with regard to this 186,
Yes, my lord.
you cover up that area, that passageway. You
Yes,
cover with a cloth or something, you know, those thin cloth or some,
The green
or with that tin roof or something, that tin thing, huh? Tin sheet or something.
My lord,
CJ sheets.
Ah.
my lord,
CJ.
we learned it
Yes.
in
Oh,
the
yes.
affidavit has been filed, my lords.
Oh, you'll be
And-
appearing, okay.
And if your lordship kindly comes to the affidavit at page 3.
Okay, so we have
we
read
are-
it.
It was decided, my lord, after there was a meeting with the learned district judge Champai and the concerned officials of the government of Mizoram.
Okay.
And thereafter it was agreed upon and this affidavit has been filed. So we have just filed an application for modification of the earlier order dated 21st of August.
Okay, so what you do
So
is,
that the PWD can proceed with the
you
work.
can proceed, but that passageway, do not do any construction, no debris should be there.
Lordship,
And
Lordship,
some
Lordship.
cloth
We agree.
or some GCI sheets,
The intent of the egress,
CGI sheets should be put there, okay?
Lordship.
Okay, right, heard Mr. B. Deb, learned AG, Mizoram. And Miss, your name?
Val Thamwani on behalf of
Vanal
Mr. A.R. Malhotra.
Thamwani, appearing on behalf of Mr. A.R. Malhotra, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Counsel for the Guwahati High Court. Vanal Thamwani.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we'll pass the order. Okay.
So we can proceed with the construction. work.
Yes, you can proceed.
I am grateful, madam.
Then we'll list this matter after 4 weeks. Okay.
Lordship.
And the application is allowed subject to further orders. We're not disposing.
My lord,
Oh, we'll dispose
my
of
lord,
we'll dispose of
kindly
this
mention
IA
that-
also. We'll dispose of the order. Is subject to further orders.
kindly
of this
mention
court.
that the government is allowed to proceed with the work.
Yes.
Concerned department.
Well,
That may be mentioned, my lord, in the order.
okay. In the last part, you just write data. The applicants are accordingly allowed to proceed with the construction work in terms of the above directions. However, this order will be subject to the further orders of this court that may be passed in the main petition. As accordingly
grateful,
disposed
madam.
of. Okay.
Item number 4.
What is your name, madam?
Lalri Nomi Chakchwa.
Lal?
Lalri Nomi Chakchwa.
Lalri Nomi.
Mi Chakchwa.
Lalri Nomi Chakchwa. Yes. What is this, Mr. Your IDC, what do you think? You think this is a joke?
No, my lord, we have submitted in our affidavit.
I think we'll have to, we'll file a criminal case against you for making a mockery. The entire state is suffering because of you. Today or yesterday also you must have seen.
Yes, my
They
lord.
wanted Kolasip truck owners wanted to, or I don't know who, they wanted to block the highway. And police is there, and you are saying nothing is happening. What is this? You think it's a joke? Your main managing director, or whoever, has been caught with 2.97 crores or something cash in Guwahati,
Yes, my lord.
and here we are suffering.
20 flats.
Yeah, 20 flats and whatnot he has got. Whole state is suffering, and you file this kind of an affidavit. Who is this fellow? Let him come to the court.
My lord, we have stated that the particular...
I think he has to come, appear personally here. What kind of an affidavit is this? When are you going to start work?
The work has been started already, my
When
lord.
will it finish? When will it finish?
That will have to take instructions, my lord, because the work was entrusted to MSJ Infratech, my lord, on 4th June 2025.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes, my lord.
this person who is the head, he has to appear before this court. And probably we might take this case down to Guwahati also. What is this? As if it's a big joke. Now you tell me, have you taken over the entire stretch?
They have taken over the entire stretch, and the work has also been awarded to a particular contractor. my lord.
Work may be awarded.
Yes,
When is it going to be completed? When has it started? I think your whoever's the head here should take a drive down to Kolasib via that road only. Tell him to appear. We'll list it. I want him to appear here. This is not the way. Unfortunately, you're lucky that I was not sitting here. I mean, this is not the way. This case has been filed when? In July.
My lord, the progress of the
3
work,
months have gone by.
as per the photographic images at annexure 2, my lord, page 12,
Yes,
we are annexed.
yes. Would you to go to Kolasib, which road will you take? You tell me. You personally, where will you take? And your officials, your NHIDCL officials, which road will they take?
We'll take the hill road, my lord.
Yes. This is not the way. Entire state is suffering. And what is the PWD? When did you give the entire road to them?
Yes, Your Lordship, with regard to my affidavit, the maintenance work was handed over to the NHIDCL on 7/7/2025. And before that, before handling that, we have done our works, and which I have annexed in my affidavit, the photograph. We have done our work, and later on, after handing over to the NHIDCL.
You all did not do enough, that's for sure. But now it's now with the NHIDCL. So NHIDCL will have to now. So you give in writing within today's what date?
25th, my lord.
25th. Within by next Friday it should be here. If no affidavit is here by next Friday, I want the personal appearance of this person to appear in this court personally. And if he doesn't come, we know how to deal with it. Yeah, the executive director, National Highways, you tell him.
Yes, my lord.
If he does not file the affidavit by next Friday, he has to come and appear in the court and personally explain. This is not the way to do things. So you have taken over the stretch.
Yes, my lord.
Since when?
7 June 2025.
7 June.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Varanasi, the Shangtai Learned Council for the NHIDCL submits that the entire stretch of road from Konpui to Aizawl via Khamrang has been taken over by the NHIDCL on 7 June 2025. Full stop. 7 June 2025. He, however, does not know when the work for repairing the road would be completed. He also submits that who is the party? Who is the contractor? We'll make him a party also.
MSJ Infratech, my lord.
He also submits that MSJ Infratech has been given the contract work for repairing the road,
Yes, my lord.
for repairing the said road. Where is the address of J Infratech? Are they a party here?
No, my lord, they are not made a part.
We'll make the party now.
Yes.
What is the address?
I
Address
have
and
to
everything.
find out, my lord.
You find out. You give it to the stenos here.
Yes, my lord.
But when
Today itself.
today, right? On considering the submission made by Mr. Vanashaya Dachamse. The MSJ Infratech is implemented as respondent number
12.
12.
It will be 12, my lord.
12. Issue notice to the respondent number 12 through the NHIDCL. Accordingly, a copy of the writ petition, a copy of the petition should be provided by the petitioner. Acha, it is here at page 11, NHA 1, that in MSD. No, this is Haryana. This is Haryana. Where are they? Where is their address here in Aizawl? Any address?
They might not have an office out there.
Okay. Anyway, what have I said? But to the petitioner. I don't know. This steps to be taken by the petitioner for service of notice upon the respondent through speed post. The NHIDCL shall also inform MSJ Infratech that they have been implemented as a party and that they should appear on the next date. An affidavit should be submitted by the by the managing director, by the respondent number 7 in this regard, by Friday, next Friday. Full stop. The respondent number 7 shall also positively file an affidavit by next Friday, stating as to when the work would be completed and the status of the work done as on today. As on the date or as on today. List the matter on. Full stop. It is made clear that if no affidavit as directed by this court is filed by so and so, by next Friday is by 28th, no, 31st, by 31st, the personal appearance of the respondent number, the respondent number 7 shall personally appear before this court on 6th.
Obliged.
6 November.